Hi everyone, today we are going to look into hydrochloric acid. As we saw that hydrogen chloride is highly soluble in water. So the first thing that we can think of is that why not dissolve hydrogen chloride in water and then we get hydrochloric acid. Yes, that is the way, but there is a method to do it. Okay, there is a method that we cannot use. And there is a method that we will use. Now let's look into the method that is not used. That uses a narrow delivery tube. Now let us say we take the preparation of hydrogen chloride once again. It is heated, concentrated sulfuric acid, and sodium chloride is heated, and when hydrogen chloride gas is formed, we can dissolve it in water using a narrow delivery tube. Now this is water. Okay. The moment this comes into contact with water, what happens is it's so highly soluble in water. So the water just gushes back and goes very fast, goes into the round bottom flask. Now there are two things that happen here. The first thing that happens is HCl production is slow. It's not that fast as the speed in which the water flows back. The second one is the dissolution is fast. What do you mean by dissolution? Dissolving HCl gas in water is fast. So these are the two things that happen. Production slow, dissolution fast. So it is not equal. So that is where the problem lies, and because this is very fast, it goes up, gushes into this, and it absorbs, and this condition is called back suction. This results in back suction. When the production is slow and the dissolution is fast, it goes back, and because of this, when it is very fast, see, as it goes into this and then cools down, then this is hot, remember, it's getting heated at around 200 degrees Celsius. So at that temperature, when this goes in the liquid form, it damages the apparatus. So back suction damages the apparatus and it is not practically feasible. Now this back suction can be explained supposing by a simple example, like say the bell rings at 3:30 and the children just rush out through a small gate. Imagine the whole school students just rushing out through the small gate, and that results in utter chaos and confusion. Similarly, you can see your mother preparing to make nice samosas or vadas. It takes a long time to prepare and you are in such a hurry. So the minute it is prepared, even before it is prepared, you are just gulping it in. So see there, the speed of production is definitely less than the speed in which it is swallowed or eaten. So that explains this back suction. So we go into the method that is used, and that is called as the special funnel arrangement. we make use of a funnel in the place of a narrow tube. So we take water, and we have a funnel this gives you hydrogen chloride gas, that's let in. Now this funnel just touches the rim of the funnel touches the surface of water. The moment it touches the surface of water, there is a huge rush of water into the funnel. So as the water goes up, there will be a decrease in the level of water here. So the level comes down slightly, and what has happened to that water? It has entered the funnel. There's a little bit of water that has entered the funnel, and there is a decrease and there's a gap in between the funnel and the water in the trough. Now what happens? Because this water is there on the top and it's heavier, it would fall down. The water starts falling down, and there's a level also decreases and the water falls down. Once the water falls down, there is vacuum that is created. And because of this vacuum that's created, there is low pressure here and high pressure here. Again, you can repeat the experiment. The moment you bring it down, again it goes up, again it is absorbed. So this is how hydrochloric acid is formed from hydrogen chloride using special funnel arrangement. Now let's sum it up. There are two advantages of this arrangement over the narrow delivery tube. The first one is it prevents or minimizes back suction. The second advantage is, see the area that the narrow tube has and the area that's available using a funnel, definitely this has a larger surface area. So this provides a larger surface area for absorption. So these are the two advantages over the narrow delivery tube, and that is why we use this method to prepare hydrochloric acid from hydrogen chloride.